Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to utilize Hyperskill's accompanying project, the VX Packager. This will be a tutorial walking you through how to upload and create virtual objects utilizing the Unity plugin that is provided. So to begin, in order to find the plugin, you're going to want to have launched your application. We want to make sure that you're using a version of Unity that is 2019.4 with some appended number at the end. I'm using 24 F1, but as long as it's 2019.4, this application should run. In order to get to the plugin, you're going to need to go to Window and hit View Upload, and this will create a window which you can then dock anywhere you like within your system. I'm going to have mine live right over here. Now, if you do not start logged into your account, you're going to hit the login button, and this will generate a URL for you, which you just need to copy into your browser and then go to your browser of choice. Mine is Google Chrome. And as long as you are logged in currently into our system, a code will pop up, which you can hit continue or confirm. And this will log you in on your application, and you are now free to begin your uploading because you will see that the login thing here should refresh and now let you continue. And that is the first step on what you will need to do. Thank you.